Okay, today, good afternoon, all of you. Today we'll see the positive mental health. So nowadays, teacher, faculty, students, so everybody have in business and whatever there, everybody have feeling struggle of their lives because of their negative thoughts is more there. So positive mental health regarding we can today we'll see for the topic. Actually, positive mental health. What do you mean positive mental health? Mainly you think about their positive ways. For example, आपके साथ सब लोग को इधर है नेगेटिव बात करेंगे आपको नेगेटिव थिंकिंग आते हैं. So so if सर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको कोई इरिटेट करेंगे आपको कुछ मालूम नहीं ये नहीं मालूम है लाइक दे टॉक एनी पीपल so that like they have face the issues for them, you have negative thought will be happening for them. For example, positive mental health that regarding topic, this is in everybody necessary, especially this topic for them. Let's go start positive mental health. So positive mental health, everybody naked. I think you see the picture on right side, faculty teaching, faculty says student, employee, boss, employer. So now everybody have the stress is their life. So how can manage for the life stress like positive ways. So that is the way this topic positive mental health. So how are positive making mental health? Already I told you have friends is there. Your friends always negative thought. What happen? You also getting the negative thoughts will be happening for them. So what we'll do? So you also see the positive mental health attitude. So positive mental health means how can we positive ways the vibration will be developing ourselves. We can see. First one is mental health impact. What is the mental health? Mental health is often used by substitutes of or answer mental health condition. For example, depression, anxiety, any stress, insomnia, and fatigue, substance abuse, PTSD, and any other disorder. This type of disorder, mental health. Mental health is a for the condition will be coming for them. Especially health workers are more affected, especially doctor, nurses, etc., who all are health working for lab technician, whatever the paramedicals. So maximum health worker 11 to 12% of affecting the mental health related issues. So emotionally, behaviorally, and somatic. This is a three way of their affecting for them. Emotional also affecting, their behavior also affecting, somatic also affecting. So we can see upcoming slides also. So you see, I have shown the one proof www.nytimes.com. This is the corona outbreak time we'll taking for them. This is the previous one. You see here, this nurses and doctors speaking out of the safety now risk for the jobs because of the COVID-19 regarding they all are getting the hospital warning. They are given for staff members, public workers. They take care very difficult for them. You see another one reference. This also nppost.com. You see here, Italian nurses, for example, with coronavirus, killed herself over the fear of the infection, infecting and others. Mainly, you see here, this is the proof of the journals. They're mentioning for them, it, for example, fear, that word is underlined. So, fear or infected to others. This is the happening for them. You see, what is the positive mental health? According to positive mental health, you know, plus simple. So what the plus like simple, you know that positive mental health means a state of well-being. For example, if you have individual, you have face any, if you have any, for example, you are facing for them, you are say your well-being regarding you are individually is a harm for own potentiality cannot cope for them, you cannot tolerate your coping your normal stress life, so that time you can work protectively and fruitful, and it is a and is able to make the contribution of his to his community. That is the definition like the mental health thing. Mainly potentiality, आपका potentiality coping normal stress में life you cannot tolerate for that like time they're facing the issues for them. What is the positive mental health? Positive mental health means first one is to realize their own potentiality. आपको weakness क्या है, your own potentiality क्या है, आपको समझ आना पड़ेगा. Next one is working with the productivity. You want to for any for the for example you are students means your study में concentrate करेंगे. Suppose you are working employee, your work में concentrate करेंगे. Anything for example. So work productivity is a very important. Next one is coping with the normal stress lives. Normal our life staying balance how can for them coping for them विश्वास करेंगे for life staying for. Next one is make the positive contribution of to the community. Community में positive contribution given for them to the make the positive contribution for them to community also to participate who all are there support to positive way. Next is why is the positive mental health is important because of आप students से academic success करना पड़ेंगे positive connection where you make two positive connection between from you also and positive adaptation you should be adapting for them any situation anything any problem for example any health issues अभी कोरोना के issues चल रहे हैं so anything for them you can adapt for them how can managing for them next to a new place you are going you have adapting that situation hostels are coming first year you are joining first year times that like example next one is free social attitudes and behavior your attitudes and behavior also will be changing for them for due to positive mental health impact next one is for healthy lifestyle behavior you have a normal lifestyle same like healthy lifestyle healthy means not physically plus mentally healthy lifestyle how can they connect for them next one is what is the positive mental health for example already I told so this is the you see the picture I think you can see the picture I will explain one thing here you see here for example first one is you see the color one side is the red another side is a green color is that green color is the positive health of function that red color is the severe impact of everybody the function for example you see here the red color first one is green end of the continuum for example you can see for them their well-being how their well-being is there you are normally well-being you are okay like you are good for your life that is a positive health next one is yellow color you see the pictures every color is mixing you are seeing them red green like this road there so yellow color difficult to coping sometimes you cannot tolerate for your coping life next one is orange color center like so orange is more difficult to coping cannot tolerate for them sometimes symptoms will be there but not every time so red color is the full last side severe impact of on everybody function for example the red color is the severe function for symptoms to self-harm or sometimes suicide will be attempting for them. I am taking other one class suicide related, so I will upcoming week I will take for them. So self-harm or suicidal recording happening for them. You see there another one picture. First one is there that plus like simple is there. You can see all of you. I think plus like is there. So first one is positive mental health. That is a blue color line. Then नीचे देखो blue color में poor mental health. Same time green color line you see right side is symptoms of mental health condition. Left side you can see no symptoms of the mental condition that is for them. So you see first one is first blue color positive mental health. The top you see it is possible to have the mental health condition and still they experience as well-being like that is the blue color of positive mental. Same like here see down you see poor mental health it is possible to experience poor mental health without any mental health condition they don't know no mental health any problem but they have mental health condition they're facing for them because of you see here two continuum of models you see here second that green color line you see symptoms of mental health condition here no symptoms of mental health condition will be there so this is the criteria previous picture I show no that is the understanding of mental health condition green yellow orange red same like also this also so two graph ways I show that next one is I ask some question for students anybody know if you don't know answer no need to unmute if you know means just to say the answer for me anybody can you um, I think sorry can you tell me who is the first person students can you tell me who is this three person name can you anybody know
Sir, I only know the last one, so Shant Singh Rajput. The rest two I don't know.
okay any other students can you guess me No idea.
Yes, sir, no idea.
Okay, I will tell you. You see the picture. First one is Anderson Luber, another one is Robin Williamson, another one is Sasan Singh Rajput. I think Sasan Singh Rajput you know very well. Hollywood actors, you know, sorry, film industry, our Indian film and actor. Robin Williamson also is a comedian, stage comedian. He is also doing novels and returns and so many entertaining for the people and TV shows and everything showing and film also. Same like here you see Anderson Lubitz. This also one of the person is a pilot of German. They are doing you see here. First one is Anderson Lubitz. So 2 years before what they doing German Airlines the remote of France Alba killing for 150 passenger because of his plan to attempt to suicide and homicide for the transfer to for the world. That is that picture you can see left side that plane accident. But this is accident is not voluntary they're doing for them their plan and to further because of their plan to attempt suicide like so is a pilot so then kill 150 passengers also. Second one is this Robin Williams. Robin Williams also is an American actor, voice actor, comedian, singer. He is also attempt to suicide, although the Robin Williams have the some death reversal. For example brain disease something is there especially dementia and according to the widow also. So that type of happening for them. Robin Williams so he is also attempt to suicide. Sasan Rajput I think you know very well. He is also cinema actor recently suicide attempt due to the working of jobs their life still happening for them. So there is three members attempt to suicide only, but concept is only different. So why I am saying that because of depression. So you see here depression cannot affect any one person. Okay, the can any one person can be should be affected because of 10% of population affecting with the depression at present and 2 is to 3 do not see the treatment. दो में तीन मेंबर में से one एक member never go for the take the treatment for because of depression. Four times of more likely heart, for example, heart diseases. 25% of patients have affecting cancer patient. 10 to 27% of post stroke. One male means, for example, one male is there, two females are there affecting with morely depression, like you said. But suicidal entirely different. Two male is suicide attempt, one female is there. So 2:1 is a suicide, 1:2 is the for the depression. So you see, this is the depression scenario race for cases. According to WHO, overall 264 millions of world ways they are affecting with depression, especially major country of global disease of impacts of depression. That 34 diseases of leading causes of global disabilities that the mainly for the exam second position in 2030 upcoming year they will be go to second position for the depression that like happening for them. In Indian situation 1:5 to 2 percentage of people are affecting with the depression. 25 to 30,000 will be need to care of the depression because of that much of people are intensely affected. 50 to 70% of all suicide due to depression, especially India may 1,20,000 uh, 20,000 more than yearly that people are attempt to for the suicide due to depression. I told every I am one ratio is there every 5 minutes once suicide attempt will be happening. How many minutes? 5 minutes once suicide attempt will be happening for them. So you can see, especially 15 years, 39 age group, more attempt to suicide for them. Index 6 of highest world for them, the sixth highest world for the women in there. For India, sixth place is there in suicide, the depression cases. India, sixth place is there for them. So next, take care control of stress. How can control your stress? For example, psychologically well-being performance. For example, आपको confusion हो रहा है, loss of anxiety, sensation, humor नहीं है, comedy कुछ बोल रहे कुछ नहीं करेंगे, anxiety, anger, irritability, lack of agility, and shortness of your protective gear, and for example, your BP equipments नहीं है, severe patient के, and fear of risk and family separation, quarantine, suppose our family members quarantine, quality of food नहीं खाना नहीं खाएंगे, decrease of concentration and memory. This all things will be symptoms of, you can see, the stress. Next one is, you see the picture, I think everybody know. First left side picture, एक आदमी कोरोना के साथ fight करेंगे. So there, to try to fight again for them COVID-19, same like try to fight again your stress. Otherwise flight. This is fight or flight. This is the, for example, you stand there, you stand, for example, boxing इधर, boxing में वे आपके अंदर चलेंगे, you can stay positively grown, attack the enemy for them to boxing. Otherwise you leave from there, you away from there, discard, remove from yourself the situation. Next one is factors associated with mental health. What are the factors are associated with our mental health? You see here. First one is for them. You can see here. First one is, for example, happiness. Happiness at the working, the, for example, colleagues, working place or college, whatever that. Next one is relationship. How to the relationship be maintaining for the money. Somebody rich, poor, so middle class, whatever that. So money based. Next, freedom of from the discrimination. आपके क्या के life में freedom इधर है नहीं है वो वाला. That likes regarding creativity. Sometimes you are creating yourself. Sometimes पॉजिटिव इमोशंस, लाइफ सर्टिफिकेशन. समटाइम आपको लाइफ में क्या लाइफ यार ये लाइफ सर्टिफिकेशन, पॉजिटिव इमोशन, सेंस ऑफ पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ, व्हाट इज द सेंस ऑफ पर्पस ऑफ योर लाइफ, and positive psychological coping adaptation, lifestyle your coping adaptation, and social and emotional competence, and positive relationship and attitudes. These all things the factors of associated with positive mental health. Next you can see here. Next, you can see here, for example, take first one is three ways of positive, the post of positive mental health. So what they're doing, first one you see here, first one is they're doing for them. First one is take care of yourself physical needs. First one is physical needs also very important. You three ways of poster for the positive mental health. Okay, this one we'll see afterwards. Tomorrow we'll continue. Three ways of poster of positive mental health. First one is take care your first one is take care of your physical needs. What are the physical needs? For example, eating nutrition meals, for example, proteins, carbohydrates, fruits, vegetables and fats. Like, you know very well which are getting proteins, carbohydrates and fruits, vegetables. Next one is enjoy the good standard. For example, your bodily environmental hygienic for them, daily washing wear a cloth or a neat dress, you want to put the neat dress, good standards should be maintained, and physical environment should be clean. आपके घर के सामने सब लोग अच्छा करेंगे. Next one is your body daily breath, brushing, bathing. Like somebody's what happened Sunday हो गया, ब्रशिंग नहीं करेंगे, आराम से 11 बजे 12 बजे लंच के टाइम पे पहले ब्रशिंग करेंगे. Daily without brushing, empty stomach la they are eating something like happening for them. So at same time, you have any, not only for this is example I'm saying. So drink your plenty of fluids. For example, you are taking more dehydration will be chance. Abhi garmi padinge, so you want to take more pani because of H2 is very important. Already I told previous class I told. For example, per day, a human being at least 16 glass of water you want to drink. 16 glass of water compulsory you want to drink for them because of you are, for example, male is there more than, for example, per day 2.7 liters. For female, sorry, male is 3.7 liter, female is, for example, 2.7 liter. So that like more intake of water is there, so you have no any kidney like issues also is there. Same time your body excretion will be proper and kidney also should be proper. So fluid also maintained, because of fluid also important for the our brain. So because of आपको मालूम है brain का oxygen जरूरत है. So H2O hydrogen, okay, hydrogen is there plus oxygen. So oxygen is there. When you are getting, suppose yawning like feeling, you are that time, for example, you can drink plenty of water, fresh, like you are reduce your stress also. When you are nervousness time, you are taking some water, little bit cool also. So water is not simple, like there are more benefit of water is there. Next one is avoiding stimulation such as caffeine, alcohol, advisable impact of the mood problem. Because of na, this type of na should be avoid for them. That cocaine, brown sugar, ganja, abin, coffee, tobacco, whatever that this type of foods la what happen, up body may health issues also be there, brain also should be affected. Next one is avoid the harmful activities such as smoking, drinking, exercise. That will, for example, that type of do excessive, for example, excessive drinking, smoking like habits should be avoid further. Next one is get enough of sleeping. Sleeping very very important. Last class previously I told for them 7 to 8 hours compulsory a human being want to take rest because of your brain should be want to active more means you are compulsory required for the breathing exercise because according to better health we want to means victory means health adult for them you need to 8 hours compulsory sleeping for every night. So never use any gadget for them night time. Properly you go on to bed and sleep for them. This is the take care of your physically health for them. Next one is you see here. This is another one. Another one is there. You can see here. For example, support. For example, to make the time for social connection. Face to face connection is there. For example, घर पे पिताजी मम्मी सब लोग को इधर. If you want to sit with them, you can talk your problem, whatever there, anything. You can talk with them freely. So you can get from the some knowledge also. And same time you can gather the information also. Very helpful for them. That is very helpful for them. Next one is make the time to social connection too. Next one is phone call, Skype, WhatsApp, etc. So many is there. You can utilize for them to contribute for the any friends likes. So if you are somebody thinking I have missed my friends likes, somebody so many think of his thoughts are so connecting with the social network. Second one is support from the family and chat with friends, close family members already. Next one is support from the management or supervisor. Suppose you are working in a hospital, staff nurse or anything, you can get from the supporting from the management, supervisor, colleagues also everything. एक आदमी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है दूसरा आदमी थोड़ा हेल्प करना पड़ेगा. For example, one thing I told afterwards I finish this class section, remaining continues on tomorrow. Next another part, second part we'll see. Because of for example एक आदमी running race चल रहा है. For example sometime one person is fall down, so remaining all members what happen immediately they have get up and they stop to running because of they who is fall down no, that person had to get up. Okay, you all right, don't worry, you are your get up, you also run like saying. So what happened there again there that people also so run with them. At last they're running people thinking is fall down, we want to help them and to motivate for to encourage for them to them. So for example all member at last what happened same line 12 members and 12 members so same time they're crossing the lines. There's are 12 members also to win for them. Because of that incident why I am telling the 12 members supporting for them that who is the injury person they're supporting for to encourage for them there. But injury person thinking for myself only this all people cannot win this match, so I will again they're going to slow, so that people also again go to slow legs. So at last everybody crossing same time. Why I am telling means that is the teamwork supporting from the person or any supervisor or colleagues like एक कुछ problem है एक staff nurse के दूसरा for example another staff nurse should be want to help for them to encourage for them. Because of ना आपके your work you cannot do, I cannot do, like don't think like that type, so that type of happening for them. So this is called three way of to the positive mental. Remaining continuation tomorrow we'll see. Okay, send me that. Okay, thank you all of part 2 will see.